private equity actually had quite an exciting year in APAC in 2020.
It was a record year driven by China, most of all. Southeast Asia was actually a soft market, relatively speaking, in terms of deal activity in 2020.
Deal value was down 25% from 2019 to just about $9 billion US dollars. But overall, Asia continues to be more important in the global private equity landscape, now accounting for 26% of global private equity dollars committed.
One of the opportunities and also an imperative is ESG. So ESG integration is becoming seen as more and more important. It's no longer something that you have to do. It's also potentially a driver of alpha going forward, because sustainability investments have shown the potential to achieve equivalent, if not greater, returns for GPs.
One of the other themes that was interesting in Southeast Asia was the continued involvement of shadow capital, and they accounted for 75% of the top funded startups in Southeast Asia.
COVID has accelerated digital change tremendously in Southeast Asia. We see an increased emphasis on digital opportunities, so health tech, ed tech, and the like.
Look, I think the future in Southeast Asia is quite exciting for venture capital and private equity. Populations growing, rising middle classes in many economies, driving increased consumption.
I'm really interested to see what happens in the next year with some of the largest consumer tech companies in Southeast Asia making their presence felt on the global stage as they hopefully have public market debuts. And I think what that's going to do is that's going to really train the world's eye on the Southeast Asian tech story.
The recent event that we hosted with over 100 clients was an amazing success. I think people were interested to hear, both in terms of what the data showed from last year, but also what we're expecting in the year ahead. And it was exciting to feel the energy from investors who are looking to deploy the capital that they've raised. So I think we'd fully expect the deployment pace to increase again this year.
People are engaged, people want to hear views about the industry. So we look forward to the opportunity to do this again, live and in person. Until then, we really enjoyed the virtual event.